Hello and welcome. In this video, let's learn how to enable Hibernate option in Windows 10. In some computers, Hibernate is not even listed on the power settings. We will solve that too in this particular video itself. Hibernation is a mode that keeps your computer or your laptop like it's on a turn off state, but it's not actually turned off. Hibernate is a better option than the sleep option. Hibernation consumes less power and less hardware utilization than the sleep mode. So hibernation helps to save power and utilization of hardware resources when you are not using your PC. Although it looks like your PC is turned off, it's not actually, because you can revoke your PC instantly when you want to use it back with all your applications, data and files intact. With that knowledge, you might have tried to hibernate your PC but might not have found the options. Hibernate option is not enabled by default, so we can't see it on the power options. If I click on Windows key and the power, we don't see the Hibernate option here. Also, if I press Alt key and the F4 keys at the same time on my keyboard and click on this drop down arrow, we don't see the Hibernate here too. So let's see how to get the Hibernate option on the list here and on the power button on start menu. First, press Windows key on the search box. If you type power and you will see power and sleep settings. Click on it to go to the power and sleep section under settings. Here on the right side, click on the additional power settings. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Here under the shutdown settings, Hibernate can be enabled from here if it's listed here. In my case, I don't see the Hibernate anywhere. So first let's get Hibernate option here on the list. Then we will see how to enable it. For now, let's just close this Windows. Open command prompt as an administrator and issue the command powercfg.exe space /hibernate space on and hit enter. Then reboot your computer. After the computer is restarted, go to power and sleep settings again. Click on additional power settings and click on choose what the power buttons do. Here you go. We can see Hibernate option under the shutdown settings. But the Hibernate is disabled. To enable it, go a little bit up and click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on the checkbox beside the Hibernate option and click on Save Changes button. That's all. Let's verify if Hibernate option is there on the power button. There you go. We can see the Hibernate option here. Also, let's press Alt and F4 keys at the same time. Click on the drop down box. Here we can see the Hibernate option. Okay, this is how we can enable Hibernate option in Windows 10. That's all for this video. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos. Till then, have a nice time. Take care. Goodbye.